Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our rear tail lens that's located on the rear hatch itself. To start removing this, let's go ahead and open up the hatch. And next we're going to have a look at this area right along here where you're going to find two T20 screws. Let's start removing the pair of these. Now let's continue on with a nice plastic trim tool so we don't damage our paint. We're going to carefully get in between this area here, wedge this in, and gently pry this out. There we are. Once you have it out of there, go ahead and grab onto each of these. Take note of where they are. I'm going to grab onto it, turn it counterclockwise, pull the bulb right out of there, and just inspect it. You want to make sure it's still in good working order. Let's go ahead and do the same for this one, and we can let this hang and set our lens aside. Now your new lens is going to come with these pieces right here, so we're just going to go ahead and show you how to pop them out. Go ahead and use the fork end of this, and we're going to carefully try to get in between the body and just try to pop this right out. It should want to spin at the same time. That's what it looks like right there. Do the same to the other. Go ahead and set these aside. All right, now it's going to be time to install our brand new lamp assembly here. Let's have a look at the backside. You can tell that these already have those little pitons that are supposed to be pressed into the tailgate itself, so we don't have to worry about dealing with any of that. Now we can start reattaching this here. We're going to go ahead and use the black harness right up on top, and we'll do the green on the bottom there. We're just going to twist these till they line up, lock them right in. There we are. Double check to make sure that they're completely secured. And now we're going to bring this up and start lining up these tabs with the corresponding holes inside the tailgate. Once you feel as though you have them lined up, go ahead and carefully press this in. Now we're going to open up the tailgate and put in our two mounting bolts. We'll start them both in before we snug them up. There we are. Make sure they're nice and tight. Now that we have it installed, let's go ahead and test it. Put our lights on here. I'm going to step on the brake, key in the on position. We'll put it in reverse. Perfect.